the reason why many people fail because all this poor mindset that they don't understand about business building, and I want to do this so that I can help as many people as possible to achieve true success. So what do I mean by that? See, quick money comes in if you are willing to do the hard work. So when you do the hard work, then the quick money comes to you easily in that sense. So what happened is that many people jump from say programs to programs, tactics to tactics, strategy to strategies, and so on. So they try say there's a new course, come here and say, hey, you can make quick money from Kindle, and they just rush and go and try to make money from Kindle, and it didn't work, right? So then they saw another way to make. Oh, here's a quick money to make money with ClickBank. So they all jump and then the same thing happens and they weren't able to make money. Then they continue jumping, and fast forward is 3 years after that, and they still haven't made the quick money yet. Do you understand what is the problem of quick money mindset? Not quick money approach, not quick money tactics, but quick money mindset, right? So when they go and try to make all this quick money stuff, for instance, they do direct linking with Facebook, assuming that it's approved, assuming that they run ads and it's approved and they make a few sales, right? Say they promote how to teach your dog to talk. I mean, your parrot to talk. So they make a few sales. So what? What's next? Do you really need that motivation? Or if you have something built properly, wouldn't that motivate you even more? Something that you can feel proud of and you love your business. So let's say if you sell a course like how to teach your bird to talk, a parrot to talk, whatever it is, you make a 1-2 sales, right? What's the purpose for that? Because you have to build everything all over again to promote how to teach your dog to jump or how to teach your frog to talk or whatever it is, right? So you continue to work and you work and you work. Now, but what if the very first campaign that you do failed? It didn't make money. You guess what? You have just wasted your time, you just wasted your money, you just wasted every single thing. And you know what? That time would even be better if you take to go and build something that can make money for you later on. And if you see someone who goes from program, and after 5 years, for instance, if there is one dude, one guy, right, one guy from India, leaving a comment on my blog and says, I've been doing internet marketing for 5 years and I've never made a single sale. And what is my response? I respond to him, which is the truth, is, of course, you don't make any single sale because every single product that you buy, you refund and you are a serial refunder. You never take action. You buy stuff and you just buy the latest idea and then you thought that this is going to happen and so on, right? And you don't take action. I mean, what's going to happen? And you always think of it. Hey, I'm trying to make quick money, try to make quick money. It doesn't work that way, right? So roll up the sleeves, right? Get into the trench and do the shit that you need to do. And that's where the quick money comes in. Because like I said, that stupid motivation won't motivate you to do it in the next thing. Because if you make a 2-3 sales, right, what's next? Right? How does that going to motivate you to do more? Because you still fall back to not knowing what is the next action that you need to do.